Hey guys, what's going on? I just fixed some technical issues with my microphone, so I hope it's all working. Let me just double check. So by the way, guys, this is my first live doing go ahead level. So if you could do me a favor and hit the like button right there and throw some comment in the comment section. And another thing is, want to tell you is, Go Ahead Level is actually a all-in-one platform, all-in-one marketing platform um, for agencies. Like if you want to do Facebook ads, lead generation, stuff like that. But today I'm going to be showing you how to create a workflow using Go Ahead Level Workflow Builder. So you're seeing my screen here, and you're looking at another software that I'm using to just kind of build up a draft workflow so I can have like a visual on what I'm currently building. So as you can see, it all starts with the lead intake, of course. This is where the lead comes in. Either it's going to be from a Facebook ad, Google ad, whatever it is. But in this case, I'm doing this for a client of mine, and he's actually on cleanup company. He's a cleanup company out of New Jersey. So this is the actual workflow. Just checking out some things here. All right, so we can get started. So as you can see, again, this is a draft workflow. It's called diagrams.net. That's free software. You can sign up and just use this to, build your draft workflow. So it starts with this one, web form opt-in, then we'll be adding them into a pipeline called new estimate request. And I already built a pipeline before I start this video, so I'll just give you a brief overview of that pipeline later on. And then our goal is to send an estimate based on their website right here. So this is my client's website, very cool. So we'll have to change this form using, we're going to be using Go Ahead Level form, and we'll be replacing this form on the website using embed code. But I'm not going to do that in this video. So there you go. Pretty straightforward. So the goal for this one is for them to book an appointment and close the deal on my client's end. So let's get started. All right. Workflow. So we'll go straight. We'll go straight to Go Ahead Level. Sorry. So you're seeing this. You're seeing the dashboard. Once you log, if you're using Go Ahead Level, this is the dashboard. And then the left navigation. These are all the features that Go Ahead Level has. So we're basically going to be focusing on workflows right here. So I'm at a Rockland Virgin account. So let's start by creating a workflow. But before we do that, let's actually check all the assets that we need. And what I mean by assets is like the form. So as you can see under marketing, it has a form builder. So we're going to be using this form right here. This is Go Ahead Level. This is Go Ahead Level form builder. So it collects information based on what you require or what your client requires. For this example is just full name, email, phone, and this is I'll show you how it looks like live. This is the embed code. This is where you can get your embed code and paste it to your WordPress site, or as long as it has a HTML build or whatever it's called. So let's get straight to how it looks. This is the actual form right here. So it will ask for a full name, an email, and phone. As you notice, it captures my country, which is Philippines, and then you can select the county right here. You can select multiple here, and then the brief description, and then hit submit. So I'm not going to be doing that today. So this is one of the assets, form builder. Then we got a pipeline right here. So I set up a pipeline. It's called Rack. This is the pipeline stages. So new request, send estimate follow. And this is actually new estimate requests would most likely come from the WordPress or the website. So this one. And the goal is to move them, all the opt-ins, all the web opt-ins will be moved to this stage. All right. So that's actually it. And if you go straight to opportunities, you will be able to select the pipeline here and it will show you the stage right here. So that's the stage. So the first stage will be this one. Then if they agree to have an estimate, then the VA or whatever, the team member, one of the team member can just drag and grab the cards from here to here, and then from here to here, all those kind of stuff. Okay, so those are just the pipeline stages. So now let's proceed with the build out. Let's go back to the workflow. So let's start by creating the workflow here. And I'm gonna start from scratch. Then click create new workflow. Just click that. And then we'll start with a workflow trigger, which is of course the opt-in. So we'll call it a web opt-in. You can rename it if you want, but I'll do that just like that. And then this is the workflow trigger. You can have this option on Facebook because Loyal Level can be integrated to Facebook form, Facebook lead form. So I'll just do CRM and then choose a workflow trigger. Of course, we want to get the form submitted right here, and we're gonna select the filter, and we'll select the form. It's to be this one right here. So that's it, and so that's the initial trigger. If they opt in using that form, then what's next? So the next action is, of course, tag contact. Let's click that, add the contact tag, and we'll say we can do web lead, something like that. Yep, we can do that. Let's add the tag right there and save it. So now the next stage or the next step on the flow is to add a contact. Okay, so what's next? Now we need to add them into a pipeline. So I'm going to create another action, and I'm going to do add to or update pipeline. There you go, add an update opportunity. Create opportunity, we'll select the pipeline, we'll just tap pipeline, and then this first stage is estimate request. Opportunity name, you can get the first names, the contact full names you want. It will actually display on the opportunities on the pipeline cards. So opportunity source, we can say direct website, or we can do website. And the lead value, we'll keep that as we'll keep that as it is. The status will be open. Then that should be it. Then create an opportunity, and we're here. Okay, and new estimate request, opt-in. The next step is actually internal. We need to notify our client. All right, so we need to add flow, send internal notification. Just telling them, hey, you have one lead from your website, those kind of stuff. So you can do email, SMS, or app notification. So we go email first. We're going to be using in this case, I'm just going to be putting my email for now. Just for this demonstration purpose. Oh, it's from there. I can do that. Okay. I'm going to do custom email here. So this is most likely your client's email. Send out information to them. So in this case, again, I'm just going to be using my email. You can change that later on. subject line, let's say, like to keep it this way. You have a new estimate request or request estimate or whatever you want. You can do it like that, or you can select a template. You'll have one. Then you can go here and you can write an email to a client, hey, or congratulations, or whatever you want. Hey, custom values. There we go. Oh, not a concept, right? This one right here. This is your first, or you, we're not using we're using custom emails, so might as well just do it like very generic. Hey, you have a new key from website, so like you can change it whatever you want based on your preference. So it's just cool thing about this is you can actually grab all the information that we need from the form. Say for example name, so we can go contact, full name, and then we can do email. We're going to be using the custom values, email, and phone. This actual value from the form that I just showed you. So this is address, phone, and then of course we need to grab the information from the form. So we need to have request estimate for, something like that. Go right here, we have the custom field right here, so it's gonna pull out all the information from that form, exact values, and then brief description, brief project description. Oh, and again, brief field. Contact, custom field, brief job description. Okay. So whatever they put into that, whatever information they put into that form, we need to send it to our client. Okay, so we have that. As an email notification. So good. I would say lead gen team, something like that. And cleanouts. Yeah, save. So that's the internal notification. Then we can add more notification if you want. We can do SMS. Now we need to have SMS here. Send internal notification. Where's it go? Right here. We can do SMS. I'm just gonna pull out. This is most likely a landline number, but I'm gonna use a custom number again. Oh, again, I can replace this one later on. Just don't want to show my client's phone number here. So there you go. Again, we can have this. Just pull out the same message from here, so I don't have to type it in again. So just copy this, go back here, paste the notification in there, and we just have to send it. Okay. So that's all good, I think, for the internal notification. But you can go ahead and add the app notification if you have your client. If your client has the Go High Level app application, it's on Google Play or iOS store. Alright, so that's all good. So what's next? So here we're gonna have to send an estimate. So they get notified. So on the back end, my client's team will have to deal with this, guys. they'll have to call it. So let me just save this for now. So the goal here is to add them into, at this point, we're adding them into the opportunities, which is the first level, or the first stage is the this one right here, new estimate request. So my client can see on the back end when they log into their go high level account, they can see it on the opportunities stage, or opportunities cards right here. So we'll start to go in here. Then their goal will be just, calling these people right here, every record that's under this stage. You're gonna be, reaching out to them, probably calling them, and the goal for them is to send an estimate within a certain time or time frame. And then what's gonna happen is they're gonna move the card from here to here. So here, we're going to save this, and I'll keep it on track for now. Then I'm going to go create a if else, right? So now, if no. So there's no pipeline here for now. So I need to have a. There's no pipeline here. Search. Okay, so we can't do that. So this is just for adding them into initial stage first. So now let's go back to the workflow builder, and we'll create another workflow and start from scratch again. All right, so for this workflow, the trigger action is if the lead is moved to the second stage. So we have send estimate pipeline stage. Move to send estimate. We're going to go select CRM, and then we go here and select the trigger, which is pipeline stage right here, and select the pipeline, in pipeline, select the pipeline right there, add a new filter. The pipeline stage is new estimate. Send estimate. Okay, we'll save that. So that's our initial trigger for this workflow. So what I'm going to do here is add an action to actually my client. So again, the first thing we should do is to add a contact tag. We can do it like that. Send estimate. Okay, and then another one is to notify. Again, my client wants to have notifications coming in every time a lead changes from one stage to another. So that's just my client's requirements. So let me just do that real quick. Just gonna do SMS, and I'm gonna do again custom number. SMS notification. It will actually send SMS. Okay, so the custom values, we could say estimate for, we can grab the contact custom field was sent to, we can grab, I'm using a clipboard right here. I'm using this time clipboard. Right now, where's the oh, right here. Was sent to. Let me just take out whatever information I don't need. Okay, so just letting them know that a record was moved into the next stage, which is here to here. So notify my client. Good, and that's just for SMS notification. Then I can add more. Oh, no. Internal notification. I'm gonna do email. Then I'm gonna use from name again. I'm gonna be using my email. This one, oops, not that. There. Advertise. Custom email. Something like that. Okay. So then we just have to okay. Estimate for was sent to that. Okay, that's good. Oh, custom email. Again, this is me. And save that. Okay, so we got that notification, and we're at this stage to this stage. Now we need to add, if they submit, if they move the card from here to here, then we need to send the estimate. Well, actually, I need to create a campaign for this that will have the estimate, the email. No, not really. I can do it like this. I'll just go ahead and put it here in between. I'm gonna actually send an email to the lead. So again, we'll just do here and this email subject line here, or I can use contact first. Here's, or I don't know, maybe or estimate for I don't know, maybe here's your free estimate, something like that, subject line. And then you can do it like that. We could do you can actually add an attachment in here, but I'm assuming it's going to be all text. Okay, just going to respond to that real quick. Okay, so wait a minute. Contact first name. Here's your free estimate. Check the details below. Then we can have here the cost of value from my clients. Estimate on how they estimate things based on the job. So I'll leave that for now. and I'll let him write that email here. So this is actually sending an email to the lead, to the prospect, sending them their free estimate thing. Just gonna say that. So it's just to quick rundown here. The trigger rule is if they move into the send estimate pipeline, so lead from here goes to here, then we'll add the contact record, we'll send an email, then we'll send an internal notifications to my clients. Okay, so now let's go back. Then once we send the notification, we'll then add them into a follow-up. Okay, I'm gonna save this. Go back to workflow. So we need a certain number of we need to set a certain number of let me just turn off the camera here. We need to I need to think of a time frame, maybe follow up after maybe 2 days. So maybe I can have it in here. Or I can do if else. Let's have a wait. Let's have a wait for I don't know, maybe 1 day, or let's do that. Maybe 1 day, just to give them a decision-making process, and then after 1 day, we'll add them into the follow-up. So we'll wait for time, and then what we can do, reply as well. But we'll just stick to time. We'll wait for 1 day until they decide or responds back if they are interested to move forward and book an appointment to actually do the job. Right, wait for 1 day, and if they don't respond to that email, okay, so let's just wait here and wait, maybe out them into another stage, wait for 1 day, then if they don't respond, let me just take it. We'll send this here, we'll wait. So from here, either let's go back here. Send an estimate, add to follow up. Oh, we need to sign up to Kelly. Kelly is the office manager of my client. So internal notification, I'm gonna add this, assign this to Kelly. Assign to user, Kelly, and then interested, yes or no. If they're interested in the estimate, they can proceed with the appointment. So this is going to be most likely, so they can, the lead can send an email reply to that, to the initial email if they are interested to proceed with the project, or if not, then we just have to add them to not interested. Okay. Follow up, interested, booking. Okay. So here we'll wait, and then we have to, we can create a manual call follow up. This is now Kelly's job right there. Then Kelly will follow up, do a follow up call. Yeah, but this one needs to go here. So again, let's review it real quick. Eye contact, sending email away, manual call. Actually, just get rid of this. Then get rid of that. Okay. Internal notification, then assign it to user. And then from here, this is where I should have added the wait. Just add a task to Kelly action. Follow up with the lead. No, we need to wait for 1 day. Let them decide. Wait. Where's the wait? Wait. Oh, there you go. Oh, okay. Let's wait for 1 day. Okay. So after 1 day, we'll create a task for Kelly. So we'll go ahead and create task. Oh, actually, we're gonna have to add this one. Create task. Add task. Oh man. Add task. So follow up. Estimate. It's gonna be set to lead. Due in 1 day. So follow with lead about the estimate. We'll have to wait for 1 day. That's Kelly's job, and then we'll create another one here. We have manual call. So after that, 1 day. But we can actually add them into the opportunities now and add them to create opportunity update. Go update pipeline. State on stage to follow up. Here, this is follow up. Opportunity name, you can always have contact and first name. Source is the same thing, we don't have to change that. Open and listen. So after a certain number of days, right? After a certain number of days, we will have after 1 day, then the lead will be added to a follow-up stage right here. Then yep, and then this one is for missed calls. So you're gonna have to create your workflow for that. Okay. All right. So then let's create another stage here. Oh no, let's actually save this one. Now we need to create a workflow for appointment book. Oh, I'm not naming it. My bad. I'll do that later. Right. So, start from scratch again for the workflow. And on the trigger rule, we'll have this appointment book. CRM. This is appointment term. Yeah, that's it. And save it. Okay, so once somebody book an appointment, either the office manager or they book an appointment on the web, as long as they book an appointment using go-ahead level appointment booking calendar, the trigger should run. So the next action is, of course, tag them again. Book appointment or appointment book, whatever you want. Well, I'll do appointment book. Spell that. Then your tag. See. So first step is to tag appointment book, and then we will send them into. We will send notification first. Of course, internal notification again for a client. We'll go edit. I'm gonna use my name again. Email here. I always like to have like this icon right here. Looks good. You have a new appointment. And then one sign. Congratulations. Oh, yeah, pull up clipboard here. Pretty much it. Congratulations, you have an appointment program. Stay here. I can do the time. Notes. Yeah, okay. That should be okay. Alright, then I'm just gonna copy this one to have it on SMS. Oh, user custom email. Oh, another one. SMS. Internal notification. Go SMS. Same thing. Right there. Plus the number. Save that. Okay, we add a tag, sending their notification. By the way, you can add additional email here by doing something like this. Trying to have like multiple notification. Sending out notification to multiple emails. You can do it like that. Just make sure you have a comma in between. comma space. Okay, so now let's proceed with the next step. Just go here real quick and check my email. Okay, now that we have set up again, we need to add here, like send email to the lead, kind of like appointment reminder, if you will. So we'll send an email, initial email here, so they book an appointment. Email, and this is again me. It's a task. So thank you for booking, or we can say your appointments. Okay, let me just grab a cheat sheet, if you will. Easier. So now the screensaver runs. Let me see. So I'm gonna go. Oh, I have set up. Man. One second, guys. One sec. Just gonna copy the template. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go here. Again, you're not seeing it. Okay. Some matter screen. We can go something like this. Yeah, siren. Okay, we have you down for your appointment date and time. Please, oh, no, we're not using a link. Let's not do advance. Image good. Okay, that looks good. Or before we do that, actually. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna have to wait here, appointment time before, let's add a reminder before 1 day. See if the timing of this wait step is already in the past, move to next step. Okay. Move to next step. Now we'll set another email here. which will essentially will be a reminder before 1 day before the appointment. So we'll call it appointment reminder. Again, siren thing. Over here. Okay, that's all good. So what's going to happen here is we'll be sending out an initial confirmation to the appointment, and then from here it's just all going to be just a reminder, appointment reminder. So we can go SMS as well. Check out this one day, to make it. That's all good. And this can go save time, or we can have like 5 minutes wait. We can go 5 minutes. And make sure if you're sending out SMS, we'll have to make sure that this send out in between. Okay, 9 to 5, we can do 8. So just to make sure we're not sending SMS on midnight, during the midnight. So we'll go 8 a.m. to we can do 6 7. We can go 7 p.m. Right there. And Monday through Friday, we can Saturday. Save that. Okay, that's all good. We have the appointment reminder, SMS reminder, and that's just for one day before. Now we need to notify them again with before, let's say 2 hours, or I don't know, maybe 1 hour for the appointment date, and then add an email here. Let me just go here. Okay. Yeah, so we'll send another email. Here. There you go. 1 hour. Just click on that. Okay, it's good. And then another event, let's say 5 minutes. We'll send another email. No, I mean SMS. just work this out. Yeah, okay. So this one. So 5 minutes. Okay. So just rundown again. This is basically when they book an appointment or when a lead gets added into the calendar. So the first step is we're going to add a tag, send an internal notification to our client, to my client, and then send an email, an initial email that your appointment with client is that the appointment is confirmed, and then we'll have to wait before this is from here. It will all be this an appointment reminder. It will wait before 1 day, see the appointment time. 1 day before the appointment, this email will be sent out. So appointment reminder. So this is going to be sent out, and then in just 5 minutes, another SMS. An SMS will go out. Same thing. Themselves. This to make it just 1 day. Okay, and save that, and then this one here will wait before an hour before the appointment. So this email will go out. See you in an hour. So any information, it's all good. And then 5 minutes after that email goes out, SMS will then be sent out to the lead. With the same goal is to just send them an appointment reminder in an hour. Okay. Or we can actually, instead of doing that, we can actually just go. Right? Just go double check. Before we can do that at the same time, guys. So wait. Okay. Oh, I should have used this one. Yeah, so use this one. It will skip the email. Okay. There you go. For an hour. SMS. Wait. Okay, so good. So now we have a workflow for appointment reminders. So going back here, get booked. If now we need to set up another workflow. We're not interested in project one, project close. So going back here, if they're not interested with the estimate, they're not interested to have project done, so we'll create a new workflow for that, and it will start with just should have renamed it. This one can rename it to not interested. Like that. And then this one will go out. The pipeline stage. Let me think about this real quick. Yeah. Stage. Okay, select this. Upper stage, not interested. So that. Yeah, again, we're gonna add some tag here. Then make sure we remove the previous tags. Then we set them into D&D. D&D means do not disturb, so they'll be. So if you enable this D&D, they're not going to be, all the emails will stop. For this video, so there. So let me think if we need to. I think that's good. D&D. Go back to workflow. Actually rename them. This one is web.10. New. To send to. There we go. Save that. So I'm just gonna be doing a review here. So lead comes in up to using the form. We'll add a contact. Okay, second. Contact, create an opportunity, which is the first stage of the pipeline. Send internal notification into notifications. That's all good. Okay, and this one is if the pipeline is moved to send estimate, we'll add a contact. Send email. Okay. And then we'll assign the user, we'll assign the lead to the user, which is Kelly, and he'll take care of that. Actually, I might have to do that here on the top. And this right here. Okay, email, assign a user, send out an email the estimate. Again, I'll let my client know, or ask my client how they wanted to set up the one right here. But I can always change that to a manual campaign. Add to campaign right here. Add to campaign. Okay, that's okay. Okay, send an email and then internal notification notifying that estimate was sent to the lead. We notify them both via SMS and email. So I think that's good. Then follow up. This is the task for Kelly, and then you will wait for just one day. One day, and then after one day, the lead will get added into follow-up pipeline. That's cool. Okay, save that. Just double check it's not saving. That's good. Okay. Oh man, and then should have renamed it. Last one. And this would be an appointment book. Okay, I'm just gonna double check timers. Okay, looks good. Okay, it's all set. So that's how you create. So then the only thing that's left is to publish this workflow. So let's actually test one of these workflows. Let's publish this. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill that information out. So let's go to the form builder, and I'm gonna grab the link and we'll try to fill out information. So most likely the email is not going out, so it's not gonna be sent because I'm using my email on a test. But I'll just, let's see, I'll go ahead and have an email here. Test mode. Phone, I can have my phone here. But I'll just have these United States. Use 555 county. I'll just that. Oh, we forgot to add the county on. I'll fix that right now. Opt-ins. Let's go back. Oh, yeah. I have that one here, county. Yeah. county, custom field, county. Got to do that. We need to do that on every notification. So, here. Return notification. Oh, there's no notification. Oh, there is. Okay. We can actually publish this one. I'm not going to be doing this because they're currently using the calendar. So this one I can have it published. And actually, I'm going to need to tag the update based on the county. Yes. So if county this, okay, we add segment. Oh, see, I can do that. No. So I'm gonna save this. We go here. I'm gonna add a tag. Recommend. Now, I think I can have this. I don't know, maybe end? Or, yeah, or. Count. No. If county is Rockland, not six. Think about this condition. Easy to just guess. Hmm. But if it's no, what's gonna happen? If it's no, then there's only 2%. Hmm. All right, guys. I guess that's it for now. I'll try to figure this conditions thing. Workflow. Keep you posted. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.